Yesterday, gold created a bearish candle. It was a small breakout outside from this area, a small support level, which I have mentioned yesterday in the yesterday analysis, that the price is trying to make outside of this range area, a small range area that has been formed between these two price levels. And I have said that I'm expecting, if the price makes a bearish breakout, that the target will be 3303.41. We can see yesterday that the price, after the reaching this area of the resistance here, the price dropped down to this area of support and bouncing back up, returning back to the previous support, now acting as a resistance. We can see that here, and the price could not manage to go further up because of this confluence of resistance. The price dropped down. Now after that, the price returned back down, returning all the way. We can see that on the yesterday candle, the price has reached very close to this area of small support, which has not been broken. This area around 3289, our support level, and the price is bouncing from this area of support. After that, we can see the price has closed the day with a candle just in between this resistance on the daily 3350 and the support level at 3272.61. So this was a bearish candle yesterday has been formed, and we can see on the 4-hour time frame that the prices, after the going below this area of support, which is a 4-hour support 3326.95, the price has returned back up, just touching the previous support, now acting as a resistance here, and then drop down. Here the price formed a bearish breakout. We can see that below this area of support on the 4-hour time frame, and the prices try to reach further down lower levels, and we can see the prices reach this area around 3285. From here the price bouncing back up. Now the previous support, which is 3303, now is acting as a resistance, and we can see for the last 4 hours the price is forming these indecision candles, where these indecision candles have a wick on the upper side much larger than it is a wick on the lower side, which means currently there is a buying pressure here, and there is no selling pressure that could push the price further down. So we can see there is more buying pressure here, which means more buyers than the sellers are, because there is no wick on the lower side on these candles. Now if we go to the 1-hour time frame, we'll see how the prices behaved yesterday. So it was very important to see how the price will react between this area of resistance, which is 3350, and below that it is 3326.95. If you have watched yesterday analysis, I have mentioned that it's very important to see the price making a bullish breakout going above or bearish going below. I was expecting more to see the price going further up, making a bullish breakout, but we can see the market has made a decision to return back down and going further lower and reaching lower levels below this area of support 3326.95. We can see it was a bearish breakout here, where the price has gone down, reaching this area of support, then bouncing back up and then returning back down again, making another bearish breakout with this bearish candle, reaching 3303.41, a support level I have mentioned yesterday that I am expecting if the price goes down. After that, the price continued further down, making another reaching a support level, making another bearish momentum, and from here the price is bouncing back up. We can see returning to the first resistance level here, and it is then reaching again a second resistance 3317.59 on the 1-hour time frame. What we can expect today? Well, first of all, from the yesterday, if we take a look here, we can see it was a bearish breakout, bearish breakout, making a bearish breakout below 3326.95, which is a very important support level, and the price has also reached this area here, a support level, and making a bearish breakout. And we can see that for several time frames, for several candles on the 4-hour time frame, the price cannot manage to make a bullish breakout going above. So it's very important to see how the price will behave around this area of resistance. But currently, as it looks on the daily, also this candle as it looks much more bearish, and also I'm expecting that the price could make a bearish breakout going below this area of support, below 3289, which you can see here, and especially it is 3285.87 on the 1-hour time frame. So what I'm expecting today from the gold, it is a bearish breakout that has been confirmed with these candles not returning back above, and then I'm expecting there is potentially a bearish also momentum that could push the price further down. We can see that it's very important to see how the price will behave. Now It is also important to see how the price will behave around this area of resistance and this area of support. But for now, I'm more inclined to see the price going further down, losing its value, the gold losing value against the dollar, reaching first of all a daily support, which is 3272.61. So this is the target for today as it looks right now on the market. But first of all, we need to see how the price will behave around this area of resistance, and especially if the price returns back down to this area of support, there will be much more selling pressure that to push the price further down, making a bearish breakout below this area of support. Now, first of all, I always wait for the market to make a move and then follow the market to see how the price will behave. Since, for example, yesterday I have mentioned for the traders of this bearish breakout targeting the next support level, which is here, and this was a successful trade that the traders have received inside the premium analysis group. The link for the premium analysis will be below in description, so feel free to check that and also be notified when there is a bullish or bearish breakout. Also yesterday was successful bearish breakout, like this example here, which was a successful one trade, and also we can see yesterday the price is formed this bearish breakout, also returning going back down. This was also shared inside the premium analysis with the traders, so they can also receive the updates with the target right here. So this was also a successful trade. We can see the price did not go above, but it has returned back down, reaching the target. See, these two trades were successful, and this is something that you can also receive. If you like to receive that, feel free to check the link below in the description and also join the premium analysis group. Also, there are other symbols that I'm also watching and sending these informations inside the premium analysis group, so feel free to check that and also receive these updates. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.